yourself, the ځان. These all are the meaning of yourself. Yourself, پځان. Yourself, پخپله. Yourself, ځانته. Yourself, ځان پخپله. Yourself, خپل. Yourself, خپل ځان. Take care of yourself. خپل خیال ساته. Take care, خیال ساته. Of yourself, خپل. Trust yourself. پځان باور وکړه. Trust, باور وکړه. Yourself, پځان. Help yourself. خپل کومک وکړه. Help, کومک وکړه. Yourself, خپل. Introduce yourself. ځان معرفي کړه. Introduce, معرفي کړه. Yourself, ځان. Control yourself. ځان قابو کړه. Control, قابو کړه. Yourself, ځان. Believe in yourself. پځان یقین لره. Believe in, یقین لره. Yourself, پځان. Don't blame yourself. ځان قصوروار مګڼه. Don't, مګڼه. Blame, قصوروار. Yourself, ځان. Be yourself. پخپله جوړ شه. Be, جوړ شه. Yourself, پخپله. Defend yourself. د ځان دفاع وکړه. Defend, دفاع وکړه. Yourself, د ځان. Teach yourself. ځانته زده کړه. Teach, زده کړه. Yourself, ځانته. Respect yourself. خپل عزت وکړه. Respect, عزت وکړه. Yourself, خپل. Wash yourself. ځان پخپله وینځه. Wash, وینځه. Yourself, ځان پخپله. Prepare yourself. ځان تیار کړه. Prepare, تیار کړه. Yourself, ځان. Protect yourself. خپل ځان پخپله بچ کړه. Protect, بچ کړه. Yourself, خپل ځان پخپله. Behave yourself. ښه برتاو وکړه. Behave, ښه برتاو وکړه. Yourself meaning is not necessary here. You have to learn the whole sentence. Express yourself. خپل اظهار وکړه. Express, اظهار وکړه. Yourself, خپل. Don't hurt yourself. ځانته زیان مه رسوه. ځانته زیان مه رسوه. ډونټ مه رسوه. hurt زیان. yourself ځانته. or you can say don't hurt yourself. ځانله تکلیف مه ورکوه. ځانله تکلیف مه ورکوه. don't مه ورکوه. hurt تکلیف. yourself ځانله. enjoy yourself لطف واخله. لطف واخله. enjoy لطف واخله. Here also yourself meaning is not necessary. You have to learn the whole sentence. or enjoy yourself مزے کوا. مزے کوا. enjoy مزے کوا. yourself here yourself is not necessary. clean yourself ځان صفا کړه. ځان صفا کړه. clean صفا کړه. yourself ځان. look after yourself خپل خیال ساته. خپل خیال ساته. look after خیال ساته. yourself خپل. Subscribe the channel Pashto Anyone and press the bell icon for more updates. If you like the video, press like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.